Hi, I'm Emily, and I am here with Maya Murphy's attorney, Eva Marie Franco Fox. Attorney Fox practices at Maya Murphy's Westport, Connecticut office and is admitted to practice law in both Connecticut and New York. My question today for Attorney Fox is, my spouse and I are separated, but we haven't filed for divorce. Does our prenuptial agreement apply to our separation?
This really depends on the language used in your prenuptial or your postnuptial agreement. Often, these agreements will define what's known as a separation event. It may be called something else, but essentially, it's an event that would trigger certain conditions or certain provisions in the agreement to take effect. And so that separation event may be defined as an actual filing for divorce, or it could be something as informal as the parties agree that they want to separate. In the event of a separation, it should also specify, is it a separation where they need to be living separate and apart, or can they still live under the same roof? Does it need to be a legal separation, in which case something is still formally filed with the court? Or is it going to be something very informal where the parties can essentially agree that certain provisions are going to take effect? Do they have discretion to do so by the terms of their agreement? So, really, you need to look to the language of your agreement. In the absence of specific language, you may have a dispute as to when certain provisions of the agreement take effect. Likely, it would be in the event of a formal dissolution. If you have any questions about drafting your agreement to ensure that it takes effect in the event of an informal separation and not just the context of a divorce or vice versa, or if you have any questions about how to interpret your agreement because you're not sure if an informal or a legal separation is sufficient to trigger certain provisions in the absence of a formal filing of divorce, contact our office and we're happy to discuss this issue with you.
Attorney Fox is available 24/7 and can be reached by calling 203-221-3100. You can also email Attorney Fox at efox@mayalaw.com, and please visit mayalaw.com for more information.